Hi, I'm SK and I'm going to explode my volcano. First, I need a measuring cup. Next, I need red dye. Then, I need dish soap. And then, I need baking soda. And last, I need my vinegar. And then, I need my volcano. So let's get started. Step 1. Fill measuring cup halfway full with baking soda. Now I gotta pour it into the volcano. Step 2. Put 4 drops of liquid soap into the volcano. Now I need to pour vinegar to halfway. Step 4. Now I need to pour some red dye into the 4 drops into the vinegar. One, 2, 3, 4. Oh, excuse me, you're gonna spill it. Looks like Gatorade. Now I need to pour the vinegar into the volcano. So it can explode. No, I'm not supposed to be talking about. Wait, pour more so it can explode. It's like cotton candy. I'll make mine now. Thanks for watching.